Hi, and welcome to Sagonis. Hey, we got a new oil that we've never carried before, and it's from Albania. That's right, Albania. It's called Velagosht. And I was just standing here just a few seconds ago, and I sold 2 bottles of this special oil. What makes it special is it's different, and it's not for the faint of heart when you're trying out this olive oil. It's very, very strong, very robusto. So that first taste, you're going to get a really, really strong bitterness, but that's also an attribute. And then it's going to go a little mild and hit you again with a little bit more bitterness and a little bit more spice. So it's kind of spicy and bitter at the same time. And it's almost like if you've ever tasted an artichoke, here in the produce world, we stack our artichokes on a display. And if you're not careful and you pick a grape and you eat it without washing your hands, that's what it tastes like. This tastes like a artichoke leaf, a green artichoke leaf. But it's very, very unique, very, very different, robusto. So if you really like a strong olive oil with not a lot of pepper on the back end, Velagosht from Albania is the oil for you.